students, welcome back to your maths class. Now today we are going to do expanded form and place value. Okay, what do you mean by expanded form? In the expanded form of a number, the number is represented according to the place value of the digit. Okay, now here write the number for each of the following expanded form. I have given you some numbers and you have to write the numbers according to it. Now this one is 300. 300 means 300 plus 40 means 40 plus 5. Okay. Now how we will write this number, children? 300 plus 40 plus 5. This will become 345. Now the expanded numbers are given. The numbers has been expanded and you have to write the number. So this will become 345. This 5 is in your ones place again, 4 is in your tens place and 3 is in your hundred place. Okay. Now again 800 plus 80 plus 8. How you'll make 800? 80 plus 8? 800. 80 plus 8. 8 will be in your hundred place. 80 means this is in your tens place. So 8 will be in your tens place and 8 will be again in your ones place. So it has been become 888. Now we are doing expanded form is given and we are forming the numbers. Again here 100 plus 10 plus 1. What number it will be made, children? 100 means 1 is in your hundred place. Again 10 is in your tens place. So 1 again in the tens place and again 1 is in your ones place. 1. So the number has been made 111 means 111. Now in the last question 900 plus 1. 900. 100 place, what is this? 9. What is in your tens place? Nothing. So 0. What is in the ones place? That is your 1. So what is this number? 901. Okay. These are the numbers made by the expanded form. Now the next one, today we will do this question. Write the place value and face value of the underlined digits. Now tell me, this 4 in is which place? Ones, tens, hundred. What is the place value of 4? 4 is in which place? 100 place. So what will be the value? Place value will be 400. In the next question, see where this 9 is lying. Again see ones, tens, hundred. This 9 is in your ones place. So what is the value of this 9? It will be only 9. Now again ones, tens, hundred. Where is this 6? 6 is it ones place, tens place or hundred place? See where is this 6? 6 is in your tens place. So what you will write? 60. So in the last question 90 is given and I have underlined this 9 once and this is tens. 9 is in your tens place. So what will be the value? Again 90. So children, today I am giving you the work based on this place value and face value. What will be the face value of the underlined digit? 4. The face value never changes. Remember this. So the face value of 4 will be 4. Again the face value of 9 will be 9 only. Again the face value of 6 will be 6 only. Again the face value of 9 will be 9. Okay children, so we are doing the place value and face value in this exercise and here we have done expanded form. Okay, now I am giving you the question based on this exercise. In this first question, children, here it is given, write the number for each of the following expanded forms. In these expanded form, you have to frame the numbers. Okay, in the second question you have to write the following numbers in expanded form. Now convert these numbers in expanded form. 555 is written in 5 is in ones place, again tens place and hundred place. Now you have to convert this in your expanded form. How you will write? 500 plus 50 plus 5. This is in your expanded form. Like this you will do. Now here in the third question you have to write the place value. Where this 4 is lying, children? Ones, tens, hundred. 4 is in which place? 100 place. So what will be the place value of 4? 400. And the face value of 4 will be remaining as it is same. जैसे है वैसे ही रहेगा. The value of 4, the 4 will be 4 only. So children, today whatever I taught you, you will do the revision. Put the date, children. Always put the date and the chapter name. Okay. Write the questions properly. Do the sums. Okay. Then after drawing the line, second question write down and do it in your copy. Without date, day, don't do it. Put the margin, date, day, question number, everything properly in your fair copy. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.